Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing fidget spinners, and I will be giving one away for even a gift card. So like this video, and I'll probably give this one away, this rainbow one, and it spins really fast. You can hear that. So now we're going to be unboxing just two today because my ones I bought at my grandma's. So I'm going to be unboxing these two. And this one is gold. I'm unboxing it. This one's cool, Mama. Look. Sad. Cool. Okay. Here is the emoji one. There's a happy, I wanna love you, but no. And then another one was So see you guys. Okay. Oh, and subscribe and give a like up to my channel and give this video shout out FTTV because they're the ones who got me on fidget spinners. Okay, guys? Here's a blue one right there. They got army blue one, but I'm like, I want to show you. Oh, crap. Never say that word. I'm allowed to, though. Only if you're a baby, don't say it. Or if you're like 5, don't say it. Or this one, that makes it a little nice. So here are all the fidget spinners I unboxed today. Yeah, I didn't unbox the rainbow one today because I did that one already, but here's all of them I unboxed. Comment down below which one you want.